In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Copy Clipboard in Framer. We'll start inside your Framer project. Make sure you're on the canvas where you want the copy action to live, then open the Insert panel. That's the gateway to all built-in components and helpful utilities. If you don't see it at first, click Insert again to bring it into focus. From the Insert panel, head to the Utility category. Utilities in Framer are small, purpose-built tools, and the one we're after is Clipboard. Select Clipboard to add it to your canvas. You'll see a new layer appear. Think of it as a ready-made copy function that you can style and position like any other layer. With the Clipboard layer selected, look over to the right sidebar. Under Position, you can choose how this layer sits in its parent frame. Absolute lets you place it freely on top of other content. Relative makes it flow with the layout of its container. Toggle between Absolute and Relative to decide which works best for your design, then confirm your choice under Position. Next, adjust size so the component fits your layout. Keep it large enough to be easily tappable, especially on mobile. In the properties for the clipboard, you'll find text fields. Here you can type the text that will be copied to the user's clipboard and set the visible label for the control. Something clear like copy or copy link usually works best. Make sure the copy text is exactly what you intend users to paste. Now, let's style it. Open Fill to change the background color. Choose a strong, accessible color. For example, a blue like 0066FF works well for actions. Then set the text color to a high contrast value such as FFF so the label stays readable. If you'd like to reuse these colors across your project, click Add in the color picker to save them to your project's palette. Do this for both the background and the text so they're available the next time you style components. At this point, the clipboard utility is placed, labeled, styled, and configured to copy the text you provided. A quick reminder: keep the copy content short and unambiguous to reduce mistakes when users paste it elsewhere. When everything looks good, publish your changes. Publishing makes the updated clipboard interaction live, so visitors can click or tap and instantly copy the text you defined. That's it. Your Copy to Clipboard feature is now integrated into your Framer project.